G'day folks, this is my cassette fiddleyard. I've now got the tray in place and it's operational, mind you, only with a test rig connected up to it. It still needs a track into it to meet up with the aluminium wire connectors there, but she's ready to go, and it follows the back wall of the peninsula I've got in the room here, and the track will actually exit this fiddle yard and run parallel with the main lines for a little bit and go back to Great Chesterford Junction. Now this is how it works. What you do is you bring a cassette to the fiddle yard, remove the end stop, then you slide the cassette up to the connectors, push it in firmly, make sure it's all nice and flat there, and then you can apply power to the locomotive. I don't have any track laid there yet, so we can't do much more than this, but you can see that it works quite well. Now to remove the cassette, I have a lever here that I made which will pull the cassette away from the connectors quite gently. They're quite a firm fit, so if you try and do it by hand, you've got this resistance in the connectors, and as they let go it would be easy to sort of jerk the cassette. So I want a gentle sort of release, so you just push the lever, it just pulls it out of the connectors there, you put the end stop back in, and then you can remove the cassette, and then we'll reverse it, put the lever back in place, remove the end stop, then push the cassette into place, and the loco can leave the yard in the opposite direction. And also you can't run out the end of the cassette because the end stop is in. So there you go. This lever is homemade. It actually came out of, it's a bit of plate steel which came out of an old door lock. They've been making those sorts of locks for about 100 years. They're quite a big, very simple, plain sort of lock. But this section here makes contact with a piece of aluminium that's underneath the cassette. I'll show you that. Each cassette will have these runners underneath them, so the lever makes contact with one of the edges on the aluminium and pushes it back. It's as simple as that. Just again showing the action, you pull the lever all the way around till it stops, and that just removes the ends of the cassette from the prongs on the connectors, enough so that it's released.